Hi guys, today we are going to see the detailed review about Nestle Munch Crispy Pop Taste of Caramel. The length of the chocolate comes around approximately 16 to 18 centimeters. Nestle Munch Crispy Pop can be broken into two halves, and each half will give around 45 kilocalories of energy, which satisfies 2% of daily energy requirement. There is always a question. What can we expect from this chocolate? Here it is written as crunchy, delicious wafer plus exciting taste of caramel popcorn. So, crunchiness is something which is known and which can be experienced while eating the Nestle chocolates, especially Munch, Kit Kat, and those who enjoy those chocolates will enjoy this as well. The rate of this chocolate is 10 rupees and it is a vegetarian product. If we give some pressure here, we can easily divide this bar into two halves. The weight of this chocolate is 21.1 grams. The ingredients in this chocolate include sugar, refined vegetable flour, hydrogenated vegetable fats, edible vegetable fats, cocoa solid, rising agent, emulsifiers. It also contains artificial flavoring substances like cream, caramel, and vanilla. It also contains peanuts. It comes with an expiry date of 9 months from manufacture. Let us unwrap and analyze the taste of Nestle Munch Crispy Pop. We have unwrapped and it has melted because of the heat. I have refrigerated it to get this shape. All you can see is multiple wafer layers and it looks like a normal munch. So let's eat and see how it differs. I tasted this piece and having a first bite, we will feel a bitter taste because of the burnt sugar, and then after having another bite one after the other, we will feel the blend of wafer along with the cocoa layer along with that burnt sugar, and gives an ultimately different feeling, usually different from the normal munch. If you really like this video, please do click the like button and do subscribe to my channel.